Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today, I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is what problem, which is taken from your annual term suggestion. My dear student, please let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 35 of annual term, and there is a good news for you. There is no SW today. So at first we read the question. Here question number 3 is a story book of 50 pages. Mita already read 20 pages. How many pages has she not yet read? Then question number 4, Taslima had 37 blank papers. She used 15 of them to draw pictures. How many blank papers were left with her? That means these two word problem will be solved in our class. Okay, so first one, a story book of 50 pages. That means a story book which has 50 pages. My dear students, suppose this is a book and it's contain 50 pages. Okay, so if I read 40 pages of this book, then how many pages will remain? Okay, so now count 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So 10 pages left. Just like this, a story book 50 pages. Mita already read 20 pages. So we subtract these 20 pages from the 50 pages and we get the required answer. Okay, now write question number 3. A story book has 50 pages. Okay, Mita read 20 pages. My dear students, please notice, you must write this 20 under 50. If you don't write 20 under 50, then the answer is wrong. Okay, so you must maintain TO. That means you write ones place same and tens place same position. Okay, so now we do subtraction here. As a result, I give here minus sign. If I subtract 0 from 0, then 0. If I subtract 2 from 5, then we get 3. So 30 pages. Okay, left. Now here I write left, and this is the answer. As our solution is done, next we must write answer. Okay, so done. Next question number 4. As I want to solve question number 4, so we must erase question number 3. Okay, so this one, Taslima had 37 blank papers. That means Taslima had 37 papers. She used 15 of them to draw picture. That means from 37 papers, he used 15 papers. So how many papers left? That means we do subtraction here and we get the answer. So write question number 4. Right here, Taslima had 37 blank papers. Okay, she used how many blank papers? 15 blank papers to draw picture. Okay, then here you write minus sign. We subtract 5 from 7, we get 2. 1 from 3, we get 2. So 22 blank papers, and here I write left. Okay, as our solution is done, after that we write answer 22 blank papers. Okay, I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is the solution procedure of question number 4, and this is our today's lecture also. I hope you have understood our today's lecture. This is your RW lectures, and for your better understand, we take this class again. Okay, you must do your assigned SW class regularly and practice math regularly at home. Okay, so my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.